Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Johnson. Today is day 10. In today's lesson, we will learn 100 daily use English words. These words are very useful in daily life. Please listen and repeat after me. Let's begin. Family and people, mother, father, brother. Repeat after me each and every words. Sister, friend, teacher, student, doctor, farmer, neighbor, home, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, garden, roof, wall, floor, fan, light, mirror, food, rice, bread, sugar, salt, milk, butter, egg, cake, fruit, vegetable, time, morning, afternoon, evening, night, today, tomorrow, yesterday, week, month, year. Now feelings. Repeat after me each and every words. Happy, sad, angry, excited, afraid, tired, hungry, thirsty, proud, calm. Actions. Read, write, listen, speak, learn, teach, watch, cook, clean, travel. Places, school, hospital, market, office, park, station, bank, library, temple, restaurant. Technology, phone, computer, laptop, internet, camera, keyboard, screen, message, email, video. Nature, sun, moon, star, river, mountain, tree, flower, rain, cloud, wind. Useful words. Question, answer, problem, solution, idea, goal, success, practice, language, English. Excellent. Now let's make some simple sentences. I use a phone. I read a book. I study English. I visit the market. I watch videos. The sun is bright. The flower is beautiful. I practice every day. Great job. Let's do a quick vocabulary revision. Repeat after me. Friend, teacher, kitchen, rice, morning, happy, read, school, phone, English, wonderful. Learning vocabulary is very important. The more words you know, the better you can speak English. Practice these words every day. Use them in simple sentences. Thank you for watching. In day 11, we will learn 50 daily use English sentences for speaking practice. If you like this video, comment, share, and if not, subscribe. Kindly subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.